Updating your legal name on Behance is a straightforward process that ensures your profile reflects your current identity. Follow these steps to make the change quickly. Step 1. Log into your Behance account. Visit the Behance website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account you wish to update. Step 2. Access your profile settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Edit your name. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Profile. Here, you will find fields for your name. Click on the Edit option next to your current name to update it to your legal name. Step 4. Save changes. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Shark to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Verify the update. Return to your profile page to confirm that your legal name has been updated successfully. It may take a few moments for the changes to reflect, so refresh the page if necessary. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently update your legal name on Behance. Make sure to check your profile periodically to ensure all information is accurate.